best friend of man on earth. Today we see tree plantation drives being held across the state. Do you know why it is being held? Let me tell you a bit. When we use trees respectfully and economically, we have one of the greatest resources on the earth. Trees are called the lungs of the earth. Life on earth would cease to exist without trees. Trees are responsible in sustaining the environment in several ways.
Hi and welcome. I am Alexandra Fernandez and I have with me Forest Range Officer Mariana D'Souza. Today we are going to share with you important information about planting trees and saving our environment. Madam, why do we do tree plantation every year?
Every year, as you know, we cut down many trees due to maybe in the name of development or some other reason. So in order to balance it, we need to do tree plantation every year.
Madam, do you think tree plantation helps the environment in any way?
Definitely. The tree plantation plays a major role in the environment. As you know, the trees are the lungs to our earth. So if we go on cutting the trees, then our lungs will be affected and ultimately our survival is at stake.
The roots bind the soil together, thereby preventing erosion. The increased rate of deforestation is the primary cause of calamities and landslides. Besides, it's a natural habitat of several species of animals, birds, and insects. Thus, the destruction of a tree means destruction of the entire ecosystem.
planting a tree will make any differences?
Definitely, there is no doubt about it. Planting a tree, is you are giving a new life to someone. Just like a human, plants also are living beings. So when you plant a tree, you are planting your inheritance, you can say.
Which are the places trees can be planted? Is there any specific place?
Usually we identify places which are vacant, where no much development over there. And also like on highway road, once the projects are already completed, around the trees to support, to bring shade to that particular place, we also encourage planting there. Also in various colleges, institutes, universities, to bring greenery, to increase the carbon rate, that also we do.
Trees also play an important role in giving life and sustaining it, as well as maintaining a balance in the ecosystem. This makes it crucial for us to understand how trees are important to us and what steps can we take to save our environment.
How do these trees help mitigate climate changes?
As you know, trees are our lungs. Trees supplies oxygen. They take in the carbon dioxide and give us the fresh and we know its value in today's scenario in the pandemic area. We are paying for the air, paying for the oxygen, which was freely available earlier. So trees play a major important role to mitigate this. So we need to plant more and more trees in order to balance the destruction which is caused in and on everywhere.
How does a tree planting help wildlife?
As you know, wildlife are found in the midst of the trees. As trees supply them the oxygen, and the trees supply them the oxygen, and their various needs like the fruits, seeds in which they feed on to live their life. At the same time, trees also bring rain indirectly.
How can we avoid deforestation?
We can avoid deforestation is to, like, whenever we are planning various big projects, we need to see in the how we can conserve these trees, see in that point of view how to preserve our greenery, at the same time have the development projects going on. So there should be a balance. So the decision makers need to be little more inclined towards our environment. They need to see environment as a main priority, because that itself is our main reason for our survival.
Do you say that when we cut a tree, we should also plant a tree to balance it?
Not only one tree. For every one tree cut, 10 more trees or 10 more saplings need to be planted, because by the time it reaches the maturity, there are a lot of things coming on the way. The same tree may survive, may not survive. So in order to balance one tree cut, we need to plant at least 10 trees.
Deforestation is the major reason behind the climatic changes that we are facing today. Not only it has led to natural calamities, but also resulted in severe depletion and extinction of several species of flora and fauna.
Was deforestation responsible for rainfall and other calamities?
Yes, deforestation, as you all know, is cutting down the trees. And trees bring us rain. Trees conserve the soil from getting eroded. So if we go on cutting trees, no water will be retained. There will be lot of erosion, erosion damage caused to our earth. So we need trees for our survival.
Trees regulate temperature by making the weather conditions conducive for rainfall. They take in carbon dioxide from the air, thereby purifying it and releasing oxygen, which is necessary for sustenance of life. Moreover, they also provide us with wood, food, fuel, paper and much more, which are essential in our daily lives. Furthermore, they are home to all kinds of animals and birds present there.
What type of trees do we need to plant?
We need to, there is no particular type of trees as such. Basically we have to look for the greenery. The more the canopy cover, the more better it is, because higher the canopy cover, higher the carbon rates, higher the carbon points, more the oxygen it is supplies.
Why do we insist tree plantation during monsoon?
Because monsoon is the best time where the earth is happy, because it gets the enough moisture. Otherwise, as monsoon comes just before the summers, hot summers, where the earth cries for water, and the monsoon is the best time where it is satisfied. Not only the plants, the whole humankind is happy, because
It is said trees gives us oxygen. Is it true?
definitely from when we are small we have been learning in our school days itself. The trees play an important role, especially the leaves, which have got a stomata. They play an important role in passing on the oxygen to us, taking in the carbon dioxide and passing off the oxygen to us.
Which are the places plants are available?
Usually we have our nurseries all over Goa. There are many nurseries situated in and around. So the person, wherever he stays, he has to approach the nursery or the forest department section which is available close to their area, and pick up the plants, 5 number. If at all the area is more, we go and inspect the area, and we can, if it is worth planting, then we also can give more. So ultimately our main aim is that you should avail this opportunity and grow more plants and nurture it into trees.
It is high time that we take our responsibility of our actions. We need to give back to the earth and take care of her the same way that she has been taking care of us from so long. We need to plant as many trees as possible to make our earth beautiful and green once again.
What type of plants are available in this area?
See, right now we have got different type of plants. We have got forest trees, fruit trees, medicinal trees. Particularly this area which I belong to, this division caters to the medicinal trees or medicinal herbs. Like and in our nursery you can see over here, each plant is been named, identified, and the parts which is used is mentioned, and also the benefits, like the main striking important benefits or the various illnesses which can be cured by that particular disease is been mentioned. So you all can come, visit and avail the benefit.
What is the response of the people?
Definitely. As the whole earth is crying, I can see the people, their reactions, how they are not happy with the development which is taking place. In the name of development, cutting trees is being done. So they are all want to bring back the earth in its glory, and they are more happy to pick up plants and take them and grow them.
Since how long the plant distribution will take place?
See, we started from the 5th of June. We will be there for another 3 months, that is up till 3rd of September.
What's your favorite part of working as a forest officer?
I'm very fortunate enough in joining this field right from the beginning. It has been my privilege, because they say we are the green warriors of this earth. All this development which is taking place in the name of development, many trees are being cut. Environment is this. It is, I consider it as my primary role that I should try to balance this what is being happening and bring back our earth to our the glory.
What's your message to the people on tree plantation?
Every year we start the tree plantation program on the World Environment Day, that is June 5th. This year also we have started the free distribution of plants. Each person is entitled for 5 different types of species of plants which they can take to their home and grow it and nurture it till it grows into a tree. So my message for this tree plantation program is each and every Goan has to take use of this opportunity. Forest department is giving free plants. Take the plants, and when they are coming to take the plants, follow the SOPs, because during this pandemic time we have to be very careful. Follow the SOPs, come and pick up your plants of your choice, take it, grow it, and spread this news to your fellow members, your friends, relatives, so they themselves also can avail this opportunity.
Thank you, madam, for spending your time with us and sharing your experience as Forest Range Officer on tree plantation. And you viewers, we thank you too for watching this program.
It is said that plant a tree today for a better tomorrow. My dear friends, let me tell you, forests are the lungs of our land, purifying the air and giving strength to people. Men can't live without trees, so let's take this step of planting at least one tree and encouraging others to do so. This way we can be a part of the process in saving our environment. Thank you.